Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, CMC Vellore, which is a reputed medical university of India. In this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, CMC Vellore, Master of Public Health, MPH admissions 2025 will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, entrance exams like CMC Vellore, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER, Puducherry, Nimhans Bangalore, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, RUHS, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if a student wants online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the website for Christian Medical College Vellore, cmcvellore.edu, services education, and registration has started here for Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, and other courses. This is the information brochure, Vellore 632002, Tamil Nadu. Christian Medical College, Vellore, India. Not to be ministered unto but to minister. Information bulletin, Allied Health Masters Courses, admissions 2025. So this is the information bulletin for Christian Medical College Vellore, Allied Health Masters Courses, admissions 2025. The registrar, Christian Medical College, address is Vellore 632002, Tamil Nadu, India. Phone number 0416-228-4255. These are the phone numbers. Regular working hours Monday to Friday 8 am to 5 pm, Saturday 8 am to 12 noon. This is the email ID, registrar@cmcvellore.ac.in, website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. All courses and admissions to our college are subject to applicable regulations by university, government, statutory bodies, National Medical Commission. Admission to CMC Vellore are through the process described in the prospectus. Applications are invited for the MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MPH, Master of Public Health, Fellowships and MSc programs commencing in August 2025. The courses available. This is the code, course name of the course, educational eligibility, entrance exam paper, number of seats, fees approximate, duration. So in this video I will give you information regarding Master of Public Health. Code is 406. Code course is MPH, Master of Public Health. Eligibility is MBBS or BDS or BBSc, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of IUS courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduates in Statistics, Biostatistics, Demography, Population Studies, Nutrition, Sociology, Economics, Psychology, Anthropology, Social Work, Management or Law. So eligibility, these are the eligibilities. Candidates who have any degree, any one of these degree, they can apply. MBBS, BDS, Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of IUS courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduates in statistics, biostatistics, demography, population studies, nutrition, sociology, economics, psychology, anthropology, social work, management or law. These are the eligibilities. And here entrance exam pattern is special. These are the number of seats. Open seats are 7 and minority network 8. Total 15 seats are there. Open seats are 7 and minority network 8. Duration is 2 years. Fees approximate. Admission year 94,910 and other year 45,590. So these are the fees approximate. So this is the eligibility for MPH course, Master of Public Health. Available number of seats and fees approximate. Now this is the information regarding important dates. Admission timetable. 11th of February 2025 application can be accessed online. So registered get started on 11th of February 2025. 20th of March 2025 last date for submission of application form with payment. Last date is 28th of March 2025. 1st of April 2025 last date for receipt of relevant supporting document. 25th of April 2025 last date for receipt of completed sponsorship form from M&W organizations. 28th of April 2025 hall ticket can be downloaded from the website. 12th of May 2025 step 1 computer based test CBT. 30 May 2025 announcement of step 1 result. 29th of July 2025 registration and medical checkup at Vellore. 30th of July 2025 step 2 practical test and interview. 1st of August 2025 announcement of final selection result. 12th of August 2025 registration for admission. 1st of September 2025 course begin. Dates are subject to change. The application fee includes a basic administrative fee of rupees 1200 plus a registration fee of rupees 500 per course applied. Now there will be information regarding entrance exam center and entrance exam pattern and syllabus. So students who want to apply, they can read all the information from the information brochure. This is the computer based test step 1. There will be a computer based test for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section 2 on the date specified as the following cities. Cities are these. This is the information for cities: Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Chittoor, including Tirupati, Coimbatore, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, Kollam, Kottayam, Krishnagiri, including Dharmapuri, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Puducherry, Ranipet, Salem, Thrissur, Thiruvananthapuram, Thiruvananthamalai, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirunavalli, Tirupatpur, Vellore, including Ranipet and Kanchipuram, Vijayawada and Villupuram. So these are the entrance exam centers. The non-science paper for Group B will consist of multiple choice questions on a general nature, including very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability 90 questions. Special paper for MPH pattern is special paper, test paper is special paper. The test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the specialty of for which the candidate has applied 90 questions. The test All the tests will be conducted in English. Announcement of step 1 result, list for step 2. The list of candidates invited for step 2 will be put on notice board. In step 2, special test and interview will be conducted. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College, Vellore, Master of Public Health MPH course has been given, and I want to give you information that students who want to apply for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, entrance exam for CMC Vellore and other universities like CUT PG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411 513 974. Thanks for watching this video.